Hi, this is Arnold Subastil, and today I will teach you how to make your flash drive a bootable drive for Windows 10. Let's begin. We just need three major steps to follow in making a bootable drive. On our step one is to download the tool. We must go to the website of Microsoft to download the tool. Step two is to run the tool on your PC to make the inserted flash drive to be bootable. And then, lastly, to export your current drivers to be imported on the installed Windows 10. So, on our step one, we're going to use the tools in their website in the microsoft.com/n dash us slash software dash download slash Windows 10. I will include the link on the description down below. So, on this page, just scroll down and look for the button download tool now. So this will download the tool that we need to create the bootable drive. So when we click the download tool now, it will download for the media creation tool. And then if we show it in folder, we can run it. Now that the setup already open, you will see this window. When the tool already started, you will see this window, the applicable notice and license team. You'll have to look at this privacy statement and click accept. Now, it will let you choose if you want to upgrade this PC or you want to create an installation media. So we will choose to create installation media for USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. We will click next, and then you can set it to use the recommended options for this PC. But if you want to create a bootable device that can install with a 32-bit, you can uncheck this one and then change it to 32-bit so that the bootable device can install a 32-bit device. Here, so we can use English, and then maybe we can use the recommended if we want to install it on a 64-bit. You click next, and then you will want to use the USB file drive, and we must check if the flash drive that we're going to use is 8 gig above. Make sure that the flash drive don't have other files on it. So any files that's inside will be deleted after the drive was created. So if we choose the ISO file, it will just create a package for an ISO file. So we want to use the USB flash drive. So when we click next, you will choose the drive that you want to be bootable. So when you click next, it might take a while. I will cut the video so that you don't need to watch the whole progress of downloading a Windows 10 uh, drive for this our flash drive. After the installation of the Windows 10 on the USB drive, we will show this. Your USB flash drive is ready. So we can click finish. It will just set up the USB. It will install the Windows 10 there. If we're done and we go to this PC, you will see that it becomes CSD USB, and it now has the files to become bootable inside. So if we insert this on the if we restart our PC, and the bootable drive is already like this, it will start the installation of the Windows 10. Now, after the after running the tool, after making a drive for Windows 10, so instead of importing some drivers on the internet, what we can do is to just export all the drivers in our current PC. So we can export all the drives on this PC, and then save it on our flash drive. So if we save our Windows 10 on other PC, it can read all the drivers that we have. We don't need to search the internet or the other website to download drivers to be installed. So to do that, we must open the PowerShell. Just click start on the on our start, and then just type search for PowerShell. Run run Windows PowerShell as run as administrator. If we run Windows PowerShell as administrator, we will see this, and we just click yes, and we will see this one. It's like a CMD, but it was on Windows. So what we can do to export our drives, all our drives on this PC, is that uh, we must create we must type this command. So we type export dash. This one is case sensitive, so we must follow all the capital letters. Capital D, driver, space, dash, online, capital O, space, dash, destination, capital D, space, the we must indicate the address where we will put all the drives in one folder. So let's just first say that I will put it on export drive on the C drive. So when I click enter, it might take a while, but it will export all the drives installed in this PC. There. So if we look on the C drive and then look for the export drive folder, we will see all the drivers on currently installed on this PC. Now, what we can do is we can just copy this folder and place it on our bootable drive, so that once we install the bootable drive, we can just once the Windows 10 is already installed there, we can just open this folder, and we can just copy all the drives. We can just import all the drives the using the OS installed on the PC. I think that's it. If you're already done, we are already done. We already have a flash drive that that can boot, that can install Windows 10. So that's it. Thank you for watching.